Hello student of class 11. This video is the continuation part of the quadratic equation. This is the sixth video. If alpha beta be the roots of the equation x square plus px plus q equal to 0, alpha beta roots of this equation, so that alpha by beta is a root of the equation qx square minus p square minus 2qx plus q, this is equal to 0. Alpha by beta is the root of this equation. We have to prove it. Alpha beta root of this equation. Alpha beta root of this equation, that means alpha plus beta equal to minus p and alpha beta equal to q, and let gamma delta be two roots of this equation. Okay, so gamma plus delta equal to p square minus 2q by q, that is equal to what is p? Alpha p equal to minus alpha plus beta whole square, that means I can write it alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 into alpha beta by q equal to alpha beta. So alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta by alpha beta, this equal to alpha square by alpha beta plus beta square by alpha beta, that means alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. This is the root of the equation. Sum of the roots are beta and gamma. When two roots of this equation, then sum of the roots equal to alpha by beta, beta by alpha, that means one root is alpha by beta and second root is beta by alpha, and product of the roots, from equation I will get product of the roots equal to 1 q by q1, and product of the alpha by beta and beta by alpha, that is equal to also 1. This is equal to gamma beta equal to alpha by beta into beta by alpha, this is equal to 1. This is the product of the equation, and we can see here the product of the roots is 1. So one root is alpha minus alpha by beta and another root is beta by alpha. Here it is, the question is, given question is alpha by beta, we have to prove alpha by beta is a root of this equation, hence this is proved. Second sum is if p cube minus q into 3p minus 1 plus q square equal to 0, find the relation between the roots of the equation x square plus px plus q equal to 0. Find the relation between the roots of this equation. Let two roots be alpha beta. So alpha plus beta equal to p minus p and alpha beta equal to q. We have it is the given condition pq minus q 3p minus 1 plus q square equal to 0. Putting the value of p and q, we will get alpha plus beta minus this cube minus q equal to alpha beta 3 minus alpha plus beta minus 1 plus q square equal to alpha square beta square, this is equal to 0. Okay. This equal to minus alpha cube minus beta cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Formula alpha plus beta whole cube equal to alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta, but here minus 1 whole cube equal to minus, so I will get minus alpha cube minus beta cube minus 3 alpha beta alpha plus beta. This equal to plus 3 alpha beta alpha plus beta minus alpha minus plus alpha beta plus alpha square beta square, this equal to 0. This cancel out. So I will get minus alpha cube minus beta cube plus alpha beta plus alpha square beta square. Arranging themselves, we can write alpha beta minus alpha cube plus alpha square beta square minus beta cube, this equal to 0. Alpha is taken common from here, so I will get beta minus alpha square and minus beta minus alpha square. So beta square is common from here. If I take beta square is common from here, I will get minus beta cube minus plus alpha square beta square. So alpha minus beta whole square and beta minus alpha whole square equal to 0. That means alpha equal to beta square and beta equal to alpha square. That means one root is the square of the another root. One root is the square of the another root. This is the relation between the two roots of this equation. One root is the square of the other root. I am ending here.